MV Voyager is preparing for bunkering operation. The chief engineer must coordinate with the bunker barge operator while the captain and fuel inspector oversee the safety of the operation.
Bunker barge operator, this is MV Voyager's chief engineer. We are ready to commence bunkering operations. Please confirm readiness and safety precautions.
MV Voyagers, this is bunker barge operator. Confirm the type and quantity of fuel required and that all safety measures are in place.
We require 500 metric tons of heavy fuel oil and 100 metric tons of marine gas oil. Fire extinguishers are ready. Fuel spill containment is in place and all crew members are briefed.
Inspection complete. No leaks detected. All valves secured. We are ready to receive fuel.
Understood. Commencing bunkering at 900 hours UTC. Estimated duration 4 hours.
Acknowledge, maintain communication on this channel. MV Voyager standing by.
Bunkering operation started. Please monitor fuel levels and pressure.
Monitoring fuel intake, flow pressure stable. Confirming sample collection for quality testing.
Fuel sample collected and tested. Quality is within acceptable range.
Noted. Bunkering process will continue as planned. Expected completion in 2 hours.
Copy that. We will notify you if any irregularities occur.
Bunkering complete. Disconnecting fuel hoses now.
Fuel transfer confirmed. Thank you. MV Voyager out.